Exclamation marks Unmasked, Formal Writing Edition. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into the world of punctuation marks, specifically focusing on the exclamation mark. Our main point of discussion is its use in formal writing. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. First, let's understand what an exclamation mark is. This punctuation mark is used to express strong emotion or surprise. You typically see it at the end of sentences that show emotion, command, or emphasis. But remember, while it's frequently used in casual writing or dialogue, it's less common in formal writing. In formal writing, exclamation marks are rarely used. Why? Because formal writing usually requires a more restrained tone. The overuse of exclamation marks can make the text seem overly emotional or unprofessional. However, there are exceptions. They can be used in formal writing to highlight an exceptional point, or in direct quotes if the original speaker used strong emotion. Here are some guidelines to follow when you're thinking about using an exclamation mark in formal writing. 1. Avoid overuse. Excessive use can make the text seem overly emotional or unprofessional. 2. Exceptional points. They can be used to highlight an extraordinary point or a statement of great importance. 3. Direct quotes. If you're quoting someone who used strong emotion in their speech, maintain the exclamation mark to preserve the original tone. Let's do a quick exercise. Look at these sentences and think about whether an exclamation mark is suitable. 1. The company achieved record-breaking profits this year. 2. Don't touch the wet paint. 3. It is with great pleasure that we announce the launch of our new product. Remember, context is key. And that's it, friends. Remember, while exclamation marks can add a touch of emotion or emphasis, they should be used sparingly in formal writing. I hope this video has demystified the usage of exclamation marks in formal contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a master of formal punctuation. Until next time, happy learning!